We've been through a challenging year. Many of us made do with quick fixes when, around the world, a fully remote workforce was born almost overnight. We need to keep teams connected no matter where they meet and collaborate, at home, in the office, and moving between the two. The challenge now? How do you keep employees happy and productive and still maintain a sense of community? AVI-SPL has a solution. Build a hybrid workplace that allows everyone to work seamlessly and feel connected no matter where they are. There are 3 things this hybrid workplace must do: empower employee engagement, support your employees' well-being, and deliver productivity and business continuity. We believe unified communications technology can help you deliver all 3. Our teams, together with our partners, are here to help. Let's hear from our partners about solutions that support employee engagement.
Crestron's pioneered the work from anywhere mentality that has been so prevalent during this pandemic. Whether it was providing our staff with native Microsoft Teams devices like the Mercury Mini that I have here with me right now, to collaborate from their home office, or outfitting our headquarters in New Jersey with state-of-the-art safety measures to allow people to come back into the office safely and leverage all of the great collaboration technology that we've actually been using for years. Crestron empowered its employees with choice, and that was key. Being local to our HQ, I personally was able to come to our office and collaborate with my team members both remotely and in person. This time, however, instead of meeting in a small huddle space over Teams, with Crestron's new R-Series cart, I was able to roll into a Teams room or a Zoom room right into our cafeteria.
Poly empowers people regardless of physical location. We've been doing it for years, and really we're all about helping people provide great human-to-human connections, bringing people around and throughout the world, bringing all those folks together. As you know, there's billions of people right now working from home, and we look at ourselves as the ones to really kind of take that first connection that people make, this kind of first 1 to 3 feet, and make that as great as possible. And we do that by having one of the broadest portfolios in the industry, whether it's our headsets, our conference devices, our conference phones, where our legacy has come from, as well as our video solutions now that are being deployed in businesses and at homes throughout the globe. We kind of wrap all that together with our services and our infrastructure to really provide the best experience, whether it's cameras and lighting or audio experiences, so that people can hear just exactly what you say and reproduce that on the far side. So all of that combined with our ability to connect with any of the platforms that are out there, whether it's a Teams platform or Google platform or Zoom or WebEx or Skype or Amazon, you name it, we'll connect using those video platforms through our gear to give people great employee experiences.
The way we're thinking about it in this new hybrid approach, you're going to have some people working remotely and some people working in the office. And that means you really need video everywhere. So when people are in conference rooms, you need to have video there too, but you also need great video for people working at home. And sometimes that means a great webcam and a headset to make sure that they're providing good video, not just for themselves, but for everybody in the meeting.
I'd be remiss not to really call out Teams. This year, more than ever, Teams has been a platform that has helped companies and employees take this remote work to a new level. When you think about what Teams does for us, right, it's the power of voice, video, callings, meetings, messaging, sharing, all in one platform. And we've seen Teams adoption just skyrocket recently, and it's really the key to when we think about employee engagement. The ability to hop on a call, to be on video, to engage with our coworkers, our customers, and really stay productive.
Sharp NEC can empower engagement regardless of location in a few ways. The first of all, for those of us who are working in the corporate office from time to time, we have collaboration tools like the NEC and Infinity Board that helps improve video conferencing and virtual engagement. So it's built around Microsoft Windows, and it's agnostic to the video conferencing platform that's being used. So it can work with Cisco WebEx, it can work with Microsoft Teams, Zooms, and Google Meet right out of the box. And what that does is when you're dealing with a hybrid work environment, a lot of our calls or a lot of our meetings now are mixed media meetings, and we need a video conferencing component. So for those in the room, in a meeting room, they can have the same experience as those on the phone with great video conferencing and great tools.
How do I go about getting the best engagement? And it's a mix of the experience that you get physically, and then also does it make your life easier from a process perspective? So do I have 10 different platforms that I have to think about or have to communicate, or do I have one platform like WebEx where I know I can go in there and I can do all my communications, whether it's real time over video, whether it's calling, whether it's whiteboarding, sharing, or you name it, it's all there. But I could also embed that into a workflow that I may already have. So I may already have Microsoft Teams and I can embed that in there to enhance that. I may already have Box, for example, or Salesforce, and I can embed that in there. So it's looking and saying, how do you make people feel that they belong to the organization, understand the components, and know what you can drive, particularly from an experience perspective and from an engagement perspective.
AVI-SPL is ready to deploy these solutions and help you create a hybrid workplace that supports your on-site and remote teams now and ensure they're ready for what's next, whether that's a business change or the next global shift.